Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavade from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about sound not working in Samsung TV. There are a few troubleshooting steps by which we can solve this problem. Solution 1. Increase the TV's volume. Using your TV's remote, press the volume up button. If you cannot see the volume display on the screen, navigate to Settings. Then select Sound and then select Sound Output. Select TV speaker. You will now be able to see the volume display on the screen. If your TV is connected to an external device, you can check the volume settings of the device as well. Solution 2. Perform a sound test. On your TV, navigate to the settings that select Support and then select Self-Diagnosis. Select Sound Test and wait for the test to finish. If the test reveals a problem, you can try resetting the sound. From Settings, select Sound, then select Expert Settings and then select Reset Sound. Solution 3 is to check for updates. On your TV, navigate to Settings and then select Support. Select Software Update. You can refer to our guide for more information about updating your TV's software. It is also a good idea to update the software on an external device that are connected to your TV. If the device is a Samsung product, please check your user manual if necessary. Solution 4 is to test the HDMI cable. To perform the test, make sure that the TV source is set to HDMI port of the cable that you want to test. Navigate to Settings, then select Support, and then select Self-Diagnosis. Select Signal Information and then select HDMI cable test. Select Start Test and wait for the test to finish. If the test finishes an issue with the cable, please replace the cable. Service is not required. Solution 5 is to disconnect and reconnect the external device cable. Make sure the cable connections are undamaged and secured at both ends. If needed, replace the cable. If a different port on your TV is available, reconnect to it instead. If the dropout stops, then reconnect the cable to the original port to confirm if it is still experiencing dropout. If the dropout happens on one port but not on other, visit our support center to request service. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.